So what is up everybody, we're back with another video, and obviously we're back on SOLPUMP. So again, if you've been in the markets recently, you probably know the markets aren't doing too great right now. Almost everything is falling, but again, what's the best way to make some cash in the slow market is actually not even by trading meme coins. You could head over to SOLPUMP to make some extra cash, right? We did take a look at SOLPUMP in a previous video. Again, if you don't know what SOLPUMP is, SOLPUMP is just another Solana betting platform, right? You could play the very popular game Crash, you could play the 50-50 coin flip, and you could even also play blackjack just like you would in a real casino. But again, as we found out in the last video, that coin flip was treating us better. So in this video, we're gonna see if coin flip can still keep up that number as well. So in this video, we're gonna be doing 10 rounds of coin flip, and we're gonna be seeing the win rate. So again, if we do really good on the 10 rounds, we might even extend it, right? But again, we're going to be taking a look at coin flip, what we could make out of these 10 rounds. So again, before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about the video and what you think about SOLPUMP as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you're not already on SOLPUMP, do make sure to click the link down in the description, and you could go ahead and join SOLPUMP and start betting too. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen. We're on SOLPUMP right now. As you can see, if you have been on SOLPUMP before, this might be familiar. If we go over to Crash, we could see this, the very popular game, right? You could play and cash out whenever you feel like it, right? It could crash even before you cash out, so you lose your money, or you could make crazy numbers like a 22x, 66x, which is absolutely crazy, right? This is also really good if you trust your gut feeling, right? If you just know it's going to go higher, but again, sometimes it just crashes at like 1x, sometimes you get like a 66x. So again, this is basically a lot riskier, but is and coin flip, as we saw last time, coin flip is a lot more stable, I could say. Again, it's still, you're risking your money, but you could make some crazy profits as well. So we're going to be betting with 0.02, or actually 0.02, 0.03. We're going to be doing 10 rounds of coin flip. So let's see what most people are betting on. Most people I see is the Solana symbol. So actually, first, our first coin flip, let's go ahead and click the create flip, and let's see what we do. So let's wait for a player. If not, we could just call bot. So let's just call bot, actually, right? We don't want to keep waiting for a player. So we have traded bot joined our coin flip, and there we go. We got our first win, guys. We could just go ahead and claim winning. So that was our first of our 10, and we did cash out, so we did make a profit on that, right? And I'm now deciding if we actually go that symbol again, basically heads or tails. Let's do it one more time. Let's do this one more time and see if we can actually get the same thing again. Oh, well, never mind, right? Exactly. So we won one out of the two coin flips, right? So we're currently at about a 50% win rate, right? One out of two. But actually, let's go on the SOLPUMP side this time, right? Create coin flip and then call bot. So let's see how this does. So and oh, never mind. We got the Solana symbol, right? So because we betrayed Solana, we got the Solana symbol. Now I feel like it's going to be SOLPUMP again. So we're 1 out of 3 right now, I think. Yeah, 1 out of 3. So let's go ahead and create flip right here. Let's hope SOLPUMP does us right this time. And and never mind, right? So most of the coins, even these bets, they look like they're doing the Solana side. So let's do that. Actually, let's see how that does, right? Let's see if we could get now on this side, right? Oh, never mind. The moment we do Solana, it's actually on SOLPUMP. So let's actually recreate the same thing. So what was that, 5 or 6? So we're only 1 out of 5 right now, I think. Yeah, we're 1 out of 5 right now. Let's see if Solana does us right. Oh, right, there we go. So we're currently 2 out of 6. Actually, We could double down. You know what? Let's double down. Same Solana symbol. Let's double down. Right? We either win or lose. So let's see what we do here. And there we go. So we actually made up for what we had lost initially. So which is pretty good, I think, right? What was that? That was like, since we doubled down, that was what, like 4 out of 8. So still about 50%. So again, that's going pretty good. Actually, this time I'm feeling soul pump symbol. Let's do it. And let's see what we get. Okay, oh, never mind, we're still on the Solana symbol. Let's actually go Solana this time. So I believe this is the second last flip we have. Let's see what we can get out of that. Oh, never mind, right? And for the last round, let's go ahead and double our bet and go for Solana. Right, I have a very strong feeling it's gonna be Solana this time. So again, last flip of the game. Oh, never mind. We landed on Soul Pump, but again, in these rounds we won like what, 4 out of 10 rounds, which is pretty decent. I mean, right, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It obviously depends on different times, right? You have different luck. This is also the same thing for crash, and we could see some people have crazy luck, like 1.1x, right? It just crashes right away, and then you get these crazy numbers like 198x. This person cashed out at 16x, where he made like 200 bucks off of this one single round, right? So we could already see that it's based on luck, right? Only gamble what you're willing to lose. This was just a fun challenge I wanted to do to see what we could do with coin flip. Again, only risk what you're willing to lose. So again, that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did take another look at SOLPUMP. Again, an amazing platform if you just want to make some extra cash while the markets are slow. Again, do risk what you're willing to lose, and if you want to join SOLPUMP, you could join through the link down in the description or enter the referral code Beanie on your end. So again, if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about SOLPUMP, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.